we have here the volumetric divider. This is the compact version, and this is the Roundi 35. I'm gonna go over a little bit both machine. So this is the compact version. There is also a standard version that is a little bit bigger. So this is compact, so if you don't have too much space in your pizzeria or your restaurant, this is perfect. The belt also folds up, so literally the space is very, very small. This is a hopper of 50 kilogram. You can go up to 300 kilogram hopper. You can always change this in the future. So this is 50, but you can go up to 300 just by changing this hopper here. You unscrew the bolts and then you put the other one, the machine stays exactly the same. This model right here has the optional front controller, and I can explain a little bit how this works. So this is basically how big your dough ball would be, so the size of your dough ball. This is just a reference number. You can go down and up with this. So at the beginning, you have to try cut some of the dough and then see, like for example, 25 to 200 grams, like you ask. But I have to try, so you have to cut like 10 of them and then wait how much it would be, and then you figure out basically the number. So the 25 will correspond, let's say, to 200 or 220, because every dough it's different, so that's why this is just a reference. This is the counter, so basically you can go manual. It means like it will cut without stopping, and then if you put it like to counter like that, it will be basically going with the counter right here. So you can set up like 200, 100 of them. It will cut 100 and then it will stop. The machine will stop. So if you do different sizes of double, this is very helpful. So we leave it on manual. Then we have here at the bottom, there is the speed of the carpet. So you can go to 0, as you can see, carpet starts spinning and you can go faster, right? And then this is the speed of the cutting, okay, of the piston inside. So the machine, like you just put the dough inside. I already put the dough. When you open, you put it in, and here on the side there is oil that you have to always double check that the level is correct, just to make sure. If the machine stops, is because probably oil is missing in there. Then we go to the Roundi. This is the 35 Roundi. This is basically with no Teflon. So there is two options: is Teflon coated or not Teflon coated. This is the non-Teflon coated. I can show you the smaller version that is Teflon coated. So this is the Teflon one. We recommend Teflon coated for hydration higher than 62%. So we'll see with your dough how it works. The machine can work in combination. This is straightforward, very simple. You press start, the machine starts spinning, the dough will go inside here, it will come out from here. So these two machines can work together, no problem. You can put this one down here, the dough will fall into here and then will come out. Some hydration works very good right away, so cutting and then rounding right away. The only difference is the dough will be a little bit smoother if the dough from the cutting rests a little bit and then it rounds it. You can see with this it works perfect. Look, as I said, see, it's a little rough in some parts. the weight. So let's move around here and let's see. Two 20, 214, 220, 224, 222, 226, 220. It's a little higher, but I can adjust. 220, 224. It will be always up and down like 4 or 5. The first, see 220, when you stabilize it, it's good. These are the first one, see 172, that's the first cut. 214, first cut. 212, these are the first 3, 4 cuts. Okay, I adjusted the number here at 24. 198, 200, 200, 194, 200, 198, 194, 404, 198, 198, 200, 200. I think we're there. 192, 200.